Hi, I'm Marcus, a real estate investor from Germany, visiting Austin, Texas. I'm surprised by the prices and the property taxes here. Let's compare Germany's property market with Austin's and see what US investors can learn. Well, Germany in a nutshell. Financing. 20 to 30-year fixed loans are common, usually about 20% down payment. Repayment. Typical starting principal payment is roughly 2% on the loan each year. Costs. Property tax is very low, often just $100 to $200 per year for one bedroom condo worth around $165,000. Example deal. You have a purchase price $165,000, a monthly rent between $660 and $770, and a gross yield roughly 4 to 5%. Well, the Austin snapshot. Prices. Comparable one-bed condos often $150,000 to $200,000. Financing. 30-year fixed mortgage around 6 to 7% interest. Costs. Property tax about 2% of market value per year. So on a 180,000 condo, that's around $3,600 annually. The HOA fees typically $200 to $400 per month. The impact: those taxes and HOA fees can wipe out a big chunk of cash flow even if rents look strong. Now let's have a look at a direct comparison. Property tax in Germany between $100 and $200 a year. In Austin, it's 2%, $3,600 on a $180,000 condo. The interest rate in Germany 3 to 4% fixed. In Austin, 6 to 7% fixed. The HOA condo fees 10 to 20 cents a square foot in Germany, very low. Here between $200 to $400 a month. Gross yield in Germany 4 to 5%. In Austin 4 to 6% before tax and before HOE. Germany's ultra low property tax means steadier long-term cash flow, even if gross yields look similar. Maybe some takeaways for US investors. First, cost control. Annual property tax of only $100 to $200 on a small apartment is a huge advantage. Second, long fixed rates. 20 to 30-year rate looks provide protection against rising interest rates. Third, diversification. Germany's stable rental market can hedge against US boom and bust cycles. That's a quick look at how Germany compares with Austin. Would you invest in a market with strict regulations but property taxes as low as $100 to $200 a year? Share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching.